know what it is? I love you. Yeah. Let's talk about it. Your boy has been a Christian quite a few years. Victory in faith, but I failed in my fears. I heard a lot of words that it took for many ears. That's why I praise God for the word and being here. The word became flesh, lived for 30 years. Died at 33, but after days reappeared. Jesus Christ, the anointed one, ascended in the air. Or you can say an heir when the Father made him heir. Of all things, a throne up was more than a chair. But after all redemption, yes, he did take a chair. Greater than the angels and superior to theirs. This is Hebrews chapter 1, if they care. I'm leaning to the right, the light is where I'm running. I thought I wanted life, I'm sexed out and running. But all I really wanted was the one who really wanted. Fought, then beat, gave his life to the public. I love it. Higher than the stars, I am not of this world like I'm from the planet Mars. I love the preach of Jesus, you can read it in my bars. I'm pretty straightforward when I'm speaking about my life. You paid to see Christ being beat by Roman guards, but when he resurrected, gave his life free of charge. Now me and my boys need to be in the psych ward. Cause we went crazy for God, our lives were scarred. Now in the book of life, our name has been written down. And casting our crowns before his feet on the ground. It's such a holy melody and a heavenly sound. Hearing holy, holy, holy coming out of the mind. And the full living creatures by his throne all around. Can you picture the scene? Cause this is how it's going down. Still full of faith and a new set of eyes. And the telescopic lens to the end as he died. I love you. Out, man, like 3 strikes, and home son, like a home son, Christ, King, Lion, Lamb, God, man, sin conqueror, brave conqueror, saint conqueror, sinner, atheist, sinner to God conscious, man, nothing, take creation to God's honor, sin came through obedience to Jesus, limb addicted breathing, God believers singing.